Hi there. Welcome to Joseph IT. If you want to know your computer's last switch on or power on time and date, then this video is simply gonna help you. We will do it with CMD prompt. Go to Start. Type CMD. Open as administrator. Simply type this command. It will be in the description. Press Enter. Within a short while the information is loaded. As you can see, the system boot time is 18th of December 2025. And the exact power on time of this PC is at sharp 11:09 o'clock 23 seconds. So, this is how you can simply know when you started your PC with date and time. We upload useful tech tutorials. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.